Pranksters, and this is
Zelda Savage.
And today we will be eating some blue heat takis.
Then we're gonna do 3.
We're gonna do. Actually, we can do 2 or 3, but we're gonna do 2 this time.
And then after that,
we might do 3 just for you guys. Okay.
Yeah.
So first,
you're our subscribers. You gave Leo 38.
So here you go. Here's Zelda's takis. And then here is.
Since Gavin taking so fucking long, we're gonna start it without him.
Are you guys ready? Today we will be eating blue heat takis. But look at him, he's so... Nah, Zelda just wants to eat these already. Okay, we're gonna eat these in 3, 2, 1.
We already started without you. You can get in the video. Come on, faster!
No reaction, boy.
No reaction. Now we're doing 3.
Takis is stupid. It is not hot
Yeah!
at all.
Now we're doing 3.
Nah, in the next video, we're doing it with Gavin Man, aka GP Wazowski. Bye-bye. What's up?